100 years ago, the American Cancer Society began a fight against an enemy whose name even doctors were hesitant to mention. The topic was taboo because little could be done. Over the years, we've learned that cancer thrives on silence, complacency, and business as usual. Progress comes when we speak out, when we take action, when we're loud. So we started making noise. The Women's Field Army made noise about testing, and cervical cancer declined 70%. We made noise at Capitol Hill, and smoking declined 50%. We made noise on the research front, and have 46 Nobel laureates to show for it. We made noise on behalf of men, women, and children in every community. And today, 2 out of 3 people survive cancer. But we're not done making noise. We won't be silent until we finish the fight. We're going to amplify our efforts and lead the loudest, most aggressive, most unified assault on cancer we've ever made. We want to make sure no life-saving research is silenced. We want to make sure that every patient who needs a place to stay has a place to stay. We want to make sure that everyone has access to life-saving screenings. Why? Because we dream of a day when 3 out of 3 people survive cancer and everyone has more birthdays. Let's speak out. Let's be loud, because silence won't finish the fight. Action will.